Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. And guys, it is Bag of the Month unboxing day. Of course, this is the July 2024 Bag of the Month. And it's a beauty. Of course, this silhouette has been Bag of the Month many times in the past 3.5 years that I've done Bag of the Month unboxings. If you like to see this bag featured in a different leather but same silhouette, it is in my playlist. I will link my playlist on the bottom, guys, so you guys go see all the Bag of the Months I've done for the past 3.5 years. I so enjoy this portion of my channel. I look forward to it, and I want to say thank you to everyone who has been a part of my Bag of the Month unboxing here on my channel from the beginning. Thank you guys for the love and support. You guys are watching, you guys are liking, commenting, and that's why it's continuing. So thank you for your love and support. I hope I have any lipstick here. Is it okay?
You're good.
It is so hot today here in California. I'm literally melting. I'm going to get through this video without my makeup and my eyebrows rolling down my face. So let's jump into it. Now I have some info here. The Bag of the Month is a Florentine hobo. Yes, the hobo is very popular for all us Dooney lovers. Everybody loves the hobo silhouette. But Florentine one is going to be featured here today. Now, when this popped up, it is saying it was 8 colors available. I don't know when this video will post, but there is 8 available. The original 8 is still there when I am taping. Now, these, of course, the Florentine leather bags are very beautiful, very stunning in person. So, if you haven't seen a Florentine in person, I encourage anyone who wants to buy a Bag of the Month, this would be it, because the Florentine leather is stunning in person. I don't know how it's going to come off in the camera here, but let's dive right in. Now, I did order an extra little piece with my order so I can get the extra shipping price taken off, and I had a coupon, so I had to use it. So I bought myself a little lanyard. I'll show this in another video, but I did order one. They're on sale right now, guys, if you want to buy it. My lanyard came out to, I think, under $20, which is amazing. Now, I have to say, I was kind of shocked at the color choices as the Bag of the Month, because the color choices are not very summery, not very bright, festive that you would think, you know, for summer. They're actually very muted and fall colors, which was odd. Although they do have this hobo on sale, the silhouette, not the same leather, but other ones that Dooney has that are a little bit more brighter colors if you were looking for one that is more summery. But I tried to pick something that will go with my setup here. My pretty pinks and I guess these are muted reds and yet like all these beautiful rosy colors. I couldn't find one to match, so I went with the closest thing, which is the Bordeaux, guys. Look at it. Bordeaux. Wow. It's actually very beautiful in person. Can't wait to dive right in. My second choice was the Ikaru. The Ikaru looked very nice and bright and fun for summer, but I can't really pronounce that well, so I was like, I'm gonna say it wrong throughout the whole video, so let's just stay away from it. But the Ikaru, I hope I'm saying that right. It was my second choice, guys. No sticker, no surprise. I'm gonna hand this to the cameraman. Thank you. I don't know what they're doing with their stickers, but I don't know. It's like the rarest thing now to collect, the stickers. God, it's hot. I'm like melting. Sorry. Okay. So yeah, right now 8 colors. This is the Bordeaux. It also came in these lovely, the black. Black was stunning. The natural, there was a red. The red was also on my list. I was like, maybe I should get the red. But I didn't think it went with the summer, so I just went with something that was going to look good on my wall. I know it's crazy, but yes. So let's jump right in. This is the bag of the month, guys. July 2024. Wow, 24, right? I didn't think I would be doing this so long, but here we are. But thank you to everyone. If you just stumbled here, first time watching, please subscribe and like. I do the bag of the month unboxing every month, regardless if I have it or not. Of course, I have this silhouette, this bag in like 4 different colors and styles all over. Here's my recent. This is in the exotic in olive. If you want to see, I'll bring it forward. Yeah, I have many of this silhouette, but I don't have one in this leather. We are talking about the Florentine leather, guys. I hope I said that right. It was Florentine, right? Let me make sure, because I forget. Yeah, Florentine leather hobo, guys. Look at it. Color Bordeaux. I'll be quiet, bring it forward for you guys to see. I love that the strap matches the color of the bag. Usually the straps are a different color, so that's a nice touch. Like you saw on my exotic here, the strap is the color, the dark brown, not the green. Look at this. Wow. You have to examine. I've been getting a lot of not questionable bags sent to me from Dooney this past month or so. So really have to examine it now. I do see some imperfections, but nothing I can't buff out. I don't know if this was a return or not. I didn't even know that Dooney and Bourke, the I Love Dooney site, sends out return bags. I thought they were all new. So be careful, guys. There is a, wow, look at that. There's a big scratch right here. Look at that. That's something I'm going to have to really think about if I'm going to keep this or even to gift it. I'm not able to gift something if it has like imperfections. Yeah, I do believe this must have been a return. Such a shame. So beautiful. I didn't think this color would be so beautiful in person. I do have other bags in this color. Now the Bordeaux, I have a Bordeaux, I want to say Brenna, but that's pebbled, so that looks a little different. But yeah, that is a big scratch. Can you see the scratch, cameraman? Right here?
Yeah, I can see from where I'm standing.
Really? Wow, that's disappointing.
Yikes.
Okay. So this might be a send back to be replaced. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, please, when you're getting the bags from I Love Dooney, guys, I don't know what's going on with their quality control. Make sure you examine and you're comfortable with the bag you get. So this one is numbered 47 of 50. And I guess there was only 50 made. Beautiful strap. The strap is not removable. Although if you have other straps, you can cut this off. It is that beautiful gold color trimming that it has. I love that on the hardware. Polished gold. Back here has a pocket. The pocket is red. Nice. The zipper, everything is like in that gold trim. It has one opening. It is a shoulder bag, even though it's called a hobo. So let's jump right in. Does look to be packed okay, but yeah, maybe it was a return. I'm not sure. But yeah, it does have a big scratch right there in the front. So if I can buff it out, I'll give it a try. I will keep it or gift it. So if it has issues like that where I can't gift it, I won't gift it. I'll send it back. See if they can send me another. We'll see. So let's see. That was a lot of packing. Yeah, it looks new inside. Okay. So inside is the standard red with the trim, leather trim, and the trim on this, I can't tell from the color, but the trim also looks to be the same Bordeaux color. That's beautiful. On the side here, on the back, it has the 2 flat pockets, one bigger than the other. On this side it has a flap and a zipper pocket. Let's check in there. Looks to be all good. So the inside is beautiful. It is not used. Maybe it was returned because they opened it and saw this giant. Wow, that is a big scratch. I hope my conditioner and all that will be able to buff that out. But look at it, guys. It is so beautiful in person. That is a beautiful, beautiful color. I love it. I just wish it was in good condition. I know someone who would have loved this, but I won't gift it if it has an issue. Look, bottom it has feet. It's so lovely. So there you have it, guys. My unboxing of the bag of the month, July 2024. I wanted to say thank you to everyone who is here, who supports my channel. I do appreciate everyone's love, support. I do have a lineup already made for you guys because when this loads, I will be out of town, so I'm not going to be here. So I've been doing some videos ahead of time for you guys so I don't miss out. The only thing that I do live is the bag of the month of the time that it comes. So this is the video of the month, bag of the month, guys. Hobo Florentine, gorgeous, gorgeous bag. But if you order it, please examine it, make sure it's in good condition before you keep it or gift it. There you have it, guys. July 2024. Am I saying that right? Mm-hmm. With the code July, you are going to get this beautiful bag for $129, which is an amazing price for Florentine leather. I will also rate the bag. I do get that question a lot. What do I rate it from 1 to 10? Perfect condition without the scratch. This is a beautiful bag. Florentine leather on this is beautiful. Smells so good. So I will rate it a 9. Only because it's a smaller bag for me. This is probably a medium to a large bag for someone else. But for me, this is a medium to small bag. I do enjoy the bigger hobos. So for me, I'm going to give this a 9. So I hope you enjoyed. And again, subscribe, like. I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.